Hi! In front of me is NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. First of all, you need to click on Settings and tap on More Connection Settings. After that, choose Bluetooth and click on this switcher to activate it. Then just wait for available devices to show up, and when they do, tap on the chosen one, in my case Oppo A54s. Now you need to wait for the other device to accept your connection request, and as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can always disconnect them by clicking on this little icon next to the device and choosing Unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!